Tell me what you want, Yo, today we have the beautiful ACG Nike tee unboxing video. Wow, I thought they were more cotton, but they're actually more polyester. I think the more vintage ones are 100% cotton, because you always want like 100% cotton, but oh well, they're still like the comfiest, nicest. Just polyester, just like it doesn't last because it's not natural, so it's gonna get stained easier, and it's like has this like weird unnatural feel to it. So I always prefer cotton, but polyester is good for like sweat wicking because it's supposed to be like dry fit. So I think that's where why they made it polyester, so it's more dry fit, so it stays dry. But like, screw that. And it's more like lightweight, I guess. It's like heavyweight but lightweight. So the ACG tee review. I've got this beautiful kind of lavender, purple, violet. I don't know what I say lavender, or I think like lilac maybe. I don't know. This beautiful lavender ACG tee that I just got, as I'm wearing a white one that's all stained up because I've been wearing it like since yesterday. It's got like coffee stains and dirt all over it. Oh well. My summation for these tees is that they're great, heavy duty, all around, all condition gear. That's what ACG stands for, all conditions gear. Colder weather climates, like maybe fall or winter, but also I could see it being more used as like a trail shirt for like more like heavy duty utility, because you want to be like more sturdy walking through the woods and stuff like that. So it's basically just great for all conditions. It is an oversized tee, so you're definitely gonna have to size warning for Nike ACG. There's always going to be bigger sizing for men's, but I've seen definitely for the women's. I don't know. I would need to have like another someone else's take on it, because from what I've seen, the sizing for the women's is like really small. So I don't know. That's weird. But for men's, it's like always oversized. So I have a medium here, which is extremely oversized. Medium is usually like pretty fitted for me. So I can get away with being some small items are still like slightly oversized for me for ACG, which is nice because I like an oversized fit. So yes, ACG is a part of Nike, so you know it has like the Nike tag on, like same kind of Nike tags, same kind of designs. It has the same Move to Zero recycled tag on there, made in Vietnam. It has the dry fit technology from Nike. But then ACG still is more of its own thing though, because it is way higher quality price points with it. But it's just higher quality, amazing products. That's why I like it. That's why I don't like Nike, but I love ACG. So it's kind of like a love-hate relationship. Got this beautiful ACG logo here, all condition gear. And I like how they do like lowercase a and then capital CG. So it all like kind of goes together. They're all very cyclical. And they always do nice quality embroideries. So I love to see embroideries. And then, oh, this one doesn't have a tag around the waist. This is a newer release. This is I think this is 2023. I'm pretty sure this is 2023, or it's 2022. But see, this one has a tag around like the waist, and this one doesn't. So they kind of get cheaper as the years go on. Nike has basically just gotten cheaper and cheaper. It seems even like thinner, like smaller detailing. Like it seems like a smaller band, and like maybe, I don't even know, maybe it's less high quality stitching. That's really weird. So I'm gonna have to see. It probably will fit the same because it looks to be like the same sizing. But wow, they really slacked out on like the quality though. Even that stitching, like Nike stitching, has gone like way downhill. I don't think it's actually like a stitch on anymore. I think it's more of like they like pre-make it, and then they pre-make the thing, and then they stitch it on. So it's not like the whole thing isn't embroidered. It's more like just the patch is embroidered on. Super amazing tee though, high quality, lasts you a long time. Oversized. Hang dry my stuff. I think I've dried it though, so it usually stays pretty true to size, because cotton is what will shrink more and it's more polyester, so it does stay pretty true to size even after washing. They are pretty expensive, so I recommend waiting for when those sales come around to cop that. I think now is the time just to try this on. I forget what else I wanted to say. There's just so much to say about ACG, because the tag, men's, medium, $55 retail Canadian, pretty expensive. Move to Zero, so recycled. at least 75% recycled fibers and organic cotton fibers, so that's nice. This product always includes at least 10%. Like, Nike's so stupid, bro. They're such, like, cappers. Loose fit, so it's definitely oversized. I can get away with any size, though. Like, I rock any of the sizes, so I love it. I'm gonna go cut the tag off, and we'll try this on now. So cute, Maya. You're so adorable. I'm super excited for this t-shirt. I have so many picture ideas for it. Damn, the collar definitely seems tighter. Unless I've, like, stretched my other one, this collar seems slightly tighter. Yeah, this is definitely more fitted. That's weird. The new collection, they definitely made... I've been noticing that with a lot of different clothing brands lately, is how they've been making their collections more fitted. I don't know why, like maybe because like people are like the skinny trend that's going around, like the skinny fad that's going around. Like I have no idea what this is all about, but it's definitely more fitted and like it seems lighter. Like it seems more on the polyester side than, whereas this actually feels like more heavy duty cotton. This is lighter and it doesn't have that tag around here. That's weird, bro. See, like the embroidery feels different. It just feels more fitted, lighter, like kind of shittier quality. But that's just like, that's just the new wave. That's the new generation. Even like how people, all the YouTubers I watch talking about video games, how like the standard is just like not even good quality anymore. You came to be in the video, Maya. You came to be in the video. Hey? You came to be in the video. Anyways, it fits great though. I still love it. Just won't be getting many more of them, especially for that price. Oh yeah, I even got this one full price, so that's crazy. This one I got discount like half off, but it's because this color, I'm in love with this color. Like, I'm so happy about it. I even have like a lighter lavender color. Lavender is just my vibe right now. I have so many outfit picture ideas for this. Kind of goes with these socks. Even this outfit's kind of fire. I don't even mind it. Definitely, yeah, it's definitely more fitted. Like, it's definitely smaller, more fitted, less of that like heavy duty quality, more like regular, more like style fit, I think. Maybe they tried to make it unisex, but no tag. I wonder if that's an actual error. I wonder if it's supposed to have the tag. What the heck? I should check online. I swear. Fits perfect though. Fire? Do you like the outfit? Is it a fire fit or what, Maya? I think it's a fire outfit. Cool. So yes. We go. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hopefully you enjoyed this Nike ACGT review. Yeah, ACGT. Oh, ACGT on me. Oh. Tell me what you want. I want you to like and subscribe the video. Boo, 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 boo. So does Maya. Ooh, it's dry fit. I didn't even realize that. What the fuck? The new stuff, they make everything. I guess maybe it doesn't even, it's all the same anyways. Like, it's cheaper now that it's dry fit. Like, it's not even good. It's less better. Yeah, it's more polyester. That's shit. Fuck that. Like, that's just stupid. That's all they do. That's what dry fit is. It's just polyester. Like, no, that's shit fit. Whatever. Won't be buying many more of these.